So I have a learning curve moment that I wanted to share with everyone. But basically, I was in the process of trying to assemble my shelf. This is the first time I've put the cabinet upright, and I'd already done a lot of the pocket hole sealing. Everything looked pretty good. But then I realized that once I had the shelf upright, it was, even though I had measured everything by height using tape, when I had this upright, basically the level of the shelf, it was a little bit higher on this right side. And so since I had already covered up everything, I wasn't sure how to get this part undone. And there really wasn't anything online that showed or that explained how to remove screws once you've had your pocket holes covered. But basically what I did was using 3 different drill bits, just started, with a smaller one to create an initial puncture hole and angled it in. Went a size up, angled it in further until it touched the screws, and then found a larger version that would allow me to then basically go all the way in. And now those are exposed. I'm hoping I can still salvage this wood to use it again, but wanted to share that because, again, I couldn't find anything online and thought there might be some folks like me who were overzealous and trusting in lateral measurements and didn't take into account what it would look like when everything's upright.